know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a hair mask. So the hair mask that I'm going to be making today, it is filled with protein and also hydration. So if you want to see this video, make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. You guys can go ahead and follow me on Instagram at iamjustgeorgiak. So let's get started with the video. Okay, let's get started. So for the items that we're going to be using today, I'm using some mayonnaise. So this is real mayonnaise. 3 eggs. If your hair is shorter or you have lower density, you can use 1 or 2 eggs. Then I'm going in with some aloe vera, some honey, a bowl, a measuring cup, and a spoon. So now let's get started by adding everything in the container. So first we're going to go ahead and crack our eggs and just add them in the container. So that's 1, 2, and this one is the final egg. Now we're going to add our mayonnaise. So right here I'm using 1, 2, 3 spoons of mayonnaise. And then I'm using 1/4 cup of honey, look how that looks so nice. Now I'm not going to use all the aloe vera. I'm only using less than half. And I'm going to just peel the aloe vera, and then I'm only using the gel. Gonna add everything together, and then we're going to blend everything so it's one consistency and you don't have clumps or chunks of items in your hair. So now that we peel our aloe vera, we're going to just add everything in our blender. And then we're just going to just blend it for like a couple seconds. And that's supposed to be good. I over blended, but that's okay. If it's too thin for you, you can add a little bit more of mayonnaise and that will thicken it up. But right now the consistency is good. As you can see, I'm just getting rid of my garbage. And this is how the treatment looks, the mask looks. So now it's time to apply it in my hair so you can see the consistency. So now that you guys know the ingredients for this hair mask, let me go ahead and I'm going to put my towel around me so I don't create a mess, because every time I do a hair mask it's all over me. So I'm going to do this so I can protect myself. So this is how it's looking. It's nice and thick. It's not thin. And then I have my shower cap ready and my white tooth comb. So let's get started. I'm going to just do half so you can actually see the difference. So I'm gonna do half. So this is how my hair is looking now. You can see that it got thicker since I started using that protein treatment. I have been using the avocado and the egg protein treatment. I use that 2 times already. I use that in November and I also use it in December. So I try to do a protein treatment once a month, so that will help for my hair to grow even faster and it get fuller. So this is how my hair looks right now. And this is shrink. So I'm gonna show you guys a picture how it looks when it's wet. So I'm gonna just leave the picture like right here so you guys can see. I was so amazed by that picture. I took it when I was at the beach. I'm gonna just section my hair in 2. Just gonna put the rubber band over this side, and then I'm going to start on the right side. So now that we have applied the treatment, now we're going to go ahead and put the shower cap on, and we're going to leave it in for at least 1 hour, and then I'm going to wash it out. My hands are sticky right now. I smell like an egg sandwich. All I need is some lettuce now. So I'm going to just fold my hair, wrap my hair at the back. And then I'm gonna just put my shower cap on, and I'm gonna leave that in for an hour. Ugh, and I smell like an egg sandwich. Give me some lettuce. Give me some lettuce. Give me some lettuce. I smell like an egg sandwich. Give me some lettuce. Give me some lettuce. Give me some lettuce. So make sure you guys are subscribed. If you guys are not, click that little red button right there, and make sure you press all when you're turning on your notification, because Sunday I'm going to be dropping a really nice tip on how to trim your natural hair. Hey guys, so you have reached to the end of this video. So this is the end result of the hair. I just washed it out. My hair is much softer, and you can see, look at the curls. The curls look so nice. Look at that. The curls look so nice. So juicy. Let me see if I could. I can't even touch my hair. But look at that. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys go ahead and follow me on Instagram, because I start posting a lot on Instagram. So make sure you're following me on Instagram. Also, if you are not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's the little red button right there. Yeah, just hit it, and then once you hit it, it asks you questions. Just press all, okay? So every time I post, you know, and you're the first one that's going to see the video. Thank you guys, and I'll see you Sunday. Bye.